stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes, none toy flip flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, spicy. Haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a bite. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shicey. Ask me if I'm rolling with some Gucci, bitch, I might be. It's very unlikely, my wrist ain't looking icy. Charging by the minute cause my time is very pricey.
Happy are those who keep his decrees and seek him with all their heart. Hey, Dejanae here, back again with another video. As you can see, the eyebrows already slapped on. I'm going in with my Urban Decay palette Troublemaker in the shade Knockout. And I'm just going to go ahead and work that into my crease. And I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease with my concealer by F.A.I.L in Pure Beige. Going back into the Troublemaker palette, I'm going in with Relish. And I'm going to work that into my outer corners as well as my inner corners. What I'm trying to do is create a halo eye. This is my first attempt at it, and I didn't think it came out too bad. Going in with the Carly Bible palette, I'm just going to use that highlighter to, make the middle pop and stuff, create that halo look, that halo effect. Alright, now I'm just going to kind of jump through how I do my face makeup, my foundation and everything. I'm going in with this Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the color Deep, I believe, and then I'm going to use my concealer in Pure Beige by F.A.I.L to go over that, and then I like to work my foundation around it. For my foundation, I am using Bare Minerals Bare Pro in Truffle. So pretty much now what I'm going to do is apply all the eyeshadows that I did on my eyelid to my lower lid. I kept getting eyeshadow in my eye. What I tell you, I almost blinded myself. It's just so tough for me. I see other people doing it and it's all cute and stuff. And I'm like, oh, I want to do that too. But my eyes are so sensitive. So sensitive. Now, the powder that I have on my face comes out of the Ulta contouring kit. I'm not sure how to say this, so I'm going to just say the highlighter. That's the yellowish one that's real shiny. I'm not using it correctly. It's just supposed to be a highlight, but me, myself, I like to be extra, so I'm being extra. Now, putting on this eyeliner by NYX Cosmetics. I don't know if y'all heard that, but I'm sorry. Dogs barking in the background, just barking away. They bark their little hearts out all day long. Now, I'm not doing anything fancy with the lips. I'm just going to throw on some lip gloss. I do believe I got this from Forever 21, but it doesn't have the label on it anymore. I took it off for some reason, so I am not 100%. So I think y'all know what time it is. It is time for the highlight. It is time to highlight. It is time to glow. It is time to get popping. Like, you see it? Okay. I know you do. Look at that. Strut, girl. Strut. I love highlighter. It's the best part. It's my favorite. Now, don't you forget. Don't you forget them collarbones. Got to get them collarbones, okay? Okay. And I want to thank y'all for sitting with me, watching this entire video through my shenanigans. Please continue to keep watching, and thank you so much. Y'all have a wonderful day.